Hi guys, welcome. My name is Jasmine Raval, and I'm here to teach you about code snippets. So we will learn today what is code snippets and how to create code snippets. So first of all, why we need code snippets? First of all, in our classic programming, we write something like this: console dot readline. Right, and break it over. We generally write something like this. So except writing console.readline, we can write like this: cr tab. So look at this. This is called a code snippet. I have created this kind of code snippets. We also have an inbuilt code snippets like a for loop. If you want to make a for loop, just write for and tap twice on your tab key, and you will find, voila, integer I is equals to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. Everything is given to you. Now if you want to change variable I, you can write, don't want I, you want to write id. Just use id and tab. See, the id changed over here is reflected over here also. So the change in a declaration initialization part will change on condition and increment decrement part also. And when you press tab, the cursor is forwarded to length. So if you want to change length, you can give it 80, 50, whatever you want, right? So this is a code snippet, right? There are several code snippets, and you can also create your own code snippets. I have created for float parsing. Except writing float variable name, then float.try parse, I can just write fp float parsing tab. See, it's very easy. You have to just write fp and the whole code will appear on your screen. So how to create code snippets? If you want to create a code snippet, first of all you have to do is just you have to download a software, SnippetDesigner. But first you have to remember that before downloading a SnippetDesigner, you should have a Visual Studio installed on your computer. It doesn't matter which version you are using. I'm using 2012, but you can also use the latest version 2015. Its community version is free on its official website. I'm just giving the link for SnippetDesigner. You can download SnippetDesigner on a description link. So after installing this SnippetDesigner, you have to just write your code which you want to. Let's just create for integer parsing. I have created a float parsing over here. We can create an integer parsing. Let's see. int dot try parse brackets console dot readline comma out I. See, I have used here I because it become easy to remember. Like I have used fp for float parsing, so it become easy to remember f and p for float parsing. So I'm going to use ip for integer parsing. We will see how to create it. Now if you want to make a snippet for this code, just select this code and click right button of your mouse and export as snippet. Right? Now when you click export as snippet, you will find a screen like this. Okay, now remember that when we are coding, we are not going to use always I for integer parsing, right? Because it might be possible that we have to parse more than one number from string to integer, or even it is possible that I is already used before. So just select I, press right click, make a replacement. See, when I click on replacement, it also appear over here also. So it will become easy to navigate it. Now let's just check out the properties. Properties are over here. So here you can change the author name. It actually doesn't matter. Your computer name will be default author name. You can write whatever. I can even write jazz or whatever you wish, but I would prefer John already. So, and for shortcut, for float parsing we have used FP. So as I said, to make it easy to remember, I'm gonna use here IP for integer parsing, right? So it becomes more easy or reliable to remember it. So IP for integer parsing. Okay, it looks good, very good. So now I'm just gonna save it. Okay, this is a very long name, so I'm gonna give a short and cool name for int try parse, so everybody can understand it. Parse. Okay, and just save it. So now our code is saved. I'm going to close it, program file. Now, so what we have a shortcut I and P. See, you can check that the IP is, you can see this is snippet design, which was not before here. So now it is here, so our snippet is working fine, we can say that. So now after writing IP, just tap twice, tap. See, it's very easy and it's good. You can create a snippet to make your coding faster and fun. You can change I to any variable like J, and the difference will be also appear over here also. It's kind of cool, and it shows you how Visual Studio is very powerful in terms of code. So thank you guys, this is all about today. This is code snippet. If you have any problem, you can write comment, and you can mail me jasminrawal1997@gmail.com. I'm writing my mail address over here, and please like, subscribe, because this is my first video. I'm very excited to upload more video for this, for coding and for any purpose. If you want any video regarding coding, just write in the comment section. Okay, thank you guys.